morning, tubers, and welcome once again to the eastern wing of the Stink Bug Works. Anyway, haven't done much on the JetStepper prototype 5, because I'm waiting for a battery to show up. But somebody asked where this project was, and I wanted to let you know this project is still in the works. I've got this sponson pretty much roughed out. There's a lot of pinholes in here I need to fill, and this sponson I pretty much got built up. I'm going to just sand it down and start doing the finishing. The top half of the hull is actually pretty smooth, another coat of primer or so, and it'd be ready to go. So look for this one coming up soon. I did learn something about the motors I'm using in this boat. If you remember the Dona outrigger, I used an 1107 1.5Y H new motor. The H being helicopter, meaning it's got an air cooling fan. So everything in this boat's going to be air cooled. The motor's air cooled, the ESC's air cooled. I discovered with the Dona that I could put a really big prop on that motor and still not draw a whole lot of amperage. I can still keep well under 100 amps with a really big prop. So I'll probably run, God, what do I have in here? I think I've got 60 amp speed controls. So even 60 amps, I could probably get away with 38 millimeter props on that. And each side will run on 2S. So 38 to 40 millimeter props should be just about the ticket. So this project has not gone away. It's still out here. And while the current project is waiting for parts, the battery, and then I'll take this out Monday and test it, see if I'm going on the right track, and then I'll build one of these here. And when this whole thing is done and resolved, I'll save one. I'll equip it the way our final competitor equips it, so I'll have a fast one, and it'll be onto the Micro Drifter Twin. This is going to be a fun little project. I've been working on this for a long time too. Okay, until next time, Jet.